every money me check off, every stock me collect, every blood clotting. And any word when me no know, me Google it. I'ma ask them, what is this word? What is the meaning? It not shorten my life. It not stop me from doing shit, bitch. Me not ask you, we fully done and happy. Yeah, outside, inna the girl them outside. That must say, you come with a big blood clot education like you. Listen, I don't want this up your blood clot, you know. We save my sound earth. My more than sound earth coffee. So you feel like me go come on live and go like some of the earth? Remember normally when me argue and laugh. Me not laugh. Me not laugh. If you talk about something about me, talk about something about me. Don't talk about my education because me and one girl will make people know say education is not a must. It's great to have it. It's very good to have it. But if you don't have it, it's not the end of the blood clot world. So I'm not like bitches come on them net and come on them media and go like say them better than people, kind of better than no blood clot body. Nobody else. So what's up looking bird food. I will. Is it tomorrow? Is it tomorrow? Can I go watch it again, you know? I go watch it again, forget upset again, and I go write off my things that I go say, you know. And me I tell her, so she go up on her radio show and mention about me, I just want to know just. When she say, I'm not going to answer to that, and come up with our big words there, I say, I'm not going to answer to that, this, that, just link me. Wanna just screen record it and send it to me. Just screen record it and send it to me. Because as much as me, alright, I'ma have my things, the me no company internet and floss and hype and people don't have it. Our hype and girl were broke. And hype and girl with this. Me no come and me no dump and the broke bitch them. We have to walk and a suck and a this and a that and a that. Me no come and live and go on so. And you can't a blood clot and give young people advice and talking about women empowerment and you're disrespecting young ladies about education, which enough for we cannot have it. And you could have never did no blood clot have it neither. No man no want you. Remember from your young, you're big and favor walk. You favor Peppa Pig from your young. You see when you're young, are you nice, are you little bit, and you're cute, you will have your little boyfriends. So your boyfriend will distract you from your schoolwork. But you see when you're big and you're fat and you're swatty, you just not have nothing boy, you're ugly, nothing boy, you know look. You know what you have to do? Focus on your book and you don't have nothing more to look at you're bored. So that she do from she blood clot young. That's why she have her education. No make she trick you like she come out and say yes she have deal with her book. I never say it go. I never saw she start it. She never have no blood clot choice. Make she show you one picture when she young. Make she show you one picture when she young and she feel one queen size blood clot bed. No make she feel, make her no feel like say yeah. She sit down and she go school and she go every class. She never have no blood clot talk. She never have no choice. She had to. She never look up at her waist, never find her uniform, never night on her plate, them never set blood clot good. Nobody never look on her, nobody at all. So she did have to pick up her blood clot book and get her education. She not no choice. And when she get her 1 and 2 look at blood clot money now, she do body. Why? Since you're so perfect, why you do your body? Why you never stay like a runabout? Me never say me perfect, somebody have to get my little water shape away. But, being that you were so perfect, baby girl, why you never just stay how you stay? Why you never just stay like a blood clot roundabout? Why you never just stay like one football field? Why you never just stay just like that? Hey, I will disrespect this bitch now. May I tell you, say, sit you, just see the video. I'ma watch it. Me I wonder if I mean I watch the right one. Cause 6 minutes now, I can't sit down and watch something for 6 minutes now. So I can't sit down and watch something for 6 blood clot minutes now. I skip through, I wait for my name, I wait for a look into, I wait for something till somebody screen record it me and say I never see it come on live so merry and so nice. So I ask you a question. You don't really feel like so she could have said something about me and me come on live nice and merry and me not attack she? I telling her say no, me not really trouble people. When I really have the whole heap of followers, I'm gonna start with the business and whatever. She have enough followers and so I can start on her. I see tomorrow a different blood clot settings because me and her at it. Me I go through her page and me I start from when it just start till now. Me I write down my things them in my book and write them in a line. Me I go back to like a dirty girly. Come as with true the things some just nice and just feel like anybody can just jump on my back proof and just drop and I just eat that. Zany, it past drape me. It past drape me. Know why? A lot of persons were saying it. Wally up. And why am me alone you jump on? Why? Even the girl when me dey on live which she say too. A whole heap of people say why am me you jump on? A long time you hot for blood clot me. Hot for the young girl them where do them things. Long time. You know see? And it bunny because you have your education and me will come and fully dance and fully outside and not have it okay in life. And that bunny. Nice girl for who? Shanti Chrome. You did have to say it on a fake page. You did have to say she a nice girl for me on a fake page because you could be a real person and say that out loud. Unless you suck for your pussy and I take all of the juice and the juice gone up in your brain and just turn in a one coke blood clot head bitch. Because you could serious. You could blood clot serious. Nice girl for why? Why you never make you stay or she did stay? Eh? If me did stay or me stay, me nice. So my little baby picture them nice. Enough, you know. Why you never make you stay or she did stay and grow up coming up same way so? Listen, leave me. She not gonna argue? So she have the little strength now, man. She'll go up on her. She not gonna probably argue, you know. But me tell her this, man. She'll go up on her little things and use her little stupidity and this and that and the words that I not understand. Which as me say, it can't go hurt me because I not understand what she has say. I'm not gonna have the time for Google it, but I just know she has something bad. So here what me gonna do? Me I come back like fear every day till she dead. What you mean lower my standard? Fear standard higher than my one. So what you say? What you say now? I have to answer. You say everybody in the woman want class. This big nose blood clot woman where you can walk from right to her face go across all to way over right there so. I know the big and blood clot spread out. I never see somebody nose come like one road so yet. I know it's coming like the longest blood clot country road that she want to argue with young blood clot. Girl, you know, see a time for go sit down and go soak your pussy in some blood clot ice water. And go cool it blood clot. Don't go soak out your pussy hole, man, and go cool it down a quarantine time. It hurts because you don't have no man for lock down and settle down and calm down with. You can't post a man fingernail, a man toe. And not even birth, you can't take a picture with that bun you. Anytime you know go through no local ministry. What name about ministration? Blood clot. What are some of the name when them get well old? Talk to me. What them call it? Give me the word now come, give me it. What do you mean, oh it's no, it's me? She said do body and Luma, who else? And me alone. Me one. As when I step through, women don't know what can't hurt me. So when she come with her big words, them know. Who don't know what neither know? Some don't know what neither know. Say no, what I gonna do now? When I have to go up on Google. When you sit down and go up on Google for how long now? Cause up to now, what Spice said to Lisa hype. Enough I don't know what she mean. But we know it hot. So guess what? Me I gonna know say it hot and I gonna come here. Yes, a all blood clot foot. Yo, leave young girls at hey. It's when I see later. I go right in my book and I come back, you know. Me I come back. Me just see the picture. And you know I'm kind of cool up because a long time I not argue. But me I come back. Trust me guys, me not let you know down, man. All of the non-educated, fully done people them. Me not let you know down. Believe in me. Me I come back. Me just see the video so I just have to work off of what they on my head. But you see later now. You see later. Alright, me go write it down for her. Another one, yeah. I know me. Hi, Dr. Wanda Perez. Oh God, I don't forget you come off the live. I'm being very dirty right now. I just want you to come off the live, doctor, and then I'll come back, okay? So just take a look at time and come off of the live. Menopause. Anytime them old and I go through them menopause and them pussy in a clock and them body in a twep. I saw them blood clots start pan young girl. You have your days and you waste it. You waste your blood clot days. Nothing never go on for you. Your pussy never shot no blood clot fire for you and help blood clot you. No look up fireworks never fly out there when you open your legs. No look nice nothing never go on. No look diamond, no look glitter, no look sprinkle never go on out there when you open it to your boy them. Them never work. You want come to we. Just take your little menopause and just go on, lady. Go on. Who under 30? Poochie. Poochie. I will text Poochie. I will text something, you know, and lick you, you know. Who is under 30? No make me you have it. No make me you have it. Kiki, whether or not I'm a public figure, all of us was talking. And a whole heap of time people talk some things. Me no care. Me go talk when me talk or when me feel like so. Me no business. Me no care. At the end of the day. You rather the whole of our blood cleat dead, me no business. Oh. Thailand music. Me not stop unnecessary arguments, you know, because I not make nobody relate to me. Now, you hear me I say, uno when we have to stop, I not read no now. But, Poochie, back to you now, Poochie. Who, you say, is under 30? Because come like you want to pull all the perfume and just drink it. What you say? The sweet slayer, same so me gonna respond. Same so because she never have to take up my something upon her head. She too blood clot enough. I don't care. I don't care. It's freedom of speech. All of us have our own opinion. I am very vocal and I talk out. I talk out a lot of things that a lot of people want to say out of their mouth. So I'm talk it for them. Everybody did that say it, and never me. And that was the first time before we confirmed no 8 case or no 9 case or no this or no that. We only heard that it was here. We never know of nobody. We never know who it was. We never know nothing. We just hear say it there. So we say no really I gonna make this thing there and let out and just kill off all of we phone and just get rid of who is there. We never know who it was. Everybody just attack. We have freedom of fucking speech. I can say whatever the fuck I want to say. Same like how she can say a whole heap of crap and swallow it like you're not a fucking idiot. Same like how she can say a whole heap of fuck and swallow it like she's an idiot. Everybody make joke. Everybody make them look stupid ass comments. Some no one to talk about. People are gonna always talk, yes. But only certain people can talk. You see some look fly by the pitch by night. Blood clot girl. Them can always talk. Cause them are gonna just always talk. You see people are just them are gonna always talk. You just leave them alone. Basically some people are up in a life and are gonna step down to make some look of simple things that some people say bother them and I go as far as to say certain things. A long time them want to try a fire. A long time them want to try a fire and a long time them want to argue with you and a long time them have something to say to you. So them just damn fear just make you look a slip up so them could have just address the matter. A long time she wants to say something. Because look how far you never come all the way upon my life. And not even like me depend on the life for the whole time. I say it for like 2 minutes. And I eat that. 2 minutes with a simple say it and gone. Simple say it and gone. And just attack, we just hear say it there. We don't know nothing. We never know it's a female, we never know it's a male. We never know nothing. We just hear say it there and we just say it. And we just say, boy, them really gonna make it kill off everybody, whatever. You understand? You go jump up and blood cladders come and come. Fuck ya, come talk and come call me, man. No fuck yourself with me. I don't care every blood clot either. This you can't do it a pussy clot. What you say? When you feel like the two people have business and this them for sit down and take any look of shit where people I get to them. I not sit down and take no shit when no big blood clot sponge body bitch a blood clot give me. Come to know why she soak up all of the whole of my blood clot words and make it get to her big pussy clot bubble head. But you see tomorrow when I blood clot I'll sit down and write my pussy clot things and different things because guess what she hot for me so I got hot back for her blood clot. Me should ashamed for saying me dance. Baby girl, I am not done. But if she's saying I'm done, so I'm very proud to be done. Because to be done and accomplish as much as I have, trust me, it's a pleasure. I am so proud to be done. Because she got call me done and uneducated. And me, alright for me there right now, I'm glad. Enough people do. Hey, enough businessmen out there don't have them things. Them can't even fill out a farm. Enough businessmen and some big man when men know we can't even fill out them name pan a farm. You see them always a walk with a woman. And the woman have to fill out them name and sign every blood clot thing. Me not ask you. So when you come blood clot, go like say you're educated. Look how much educated people that are my life right now sit down on them yard. Talk me ear and talk it me ear. We sit down at them yard. Educated, sit down at them yard. Come talk to me. Make a reason. Because I make it look like said we will get kicked or we will get expelled or we will mother could pay for lunch money or pay for subject them. Because enough of we have a subject our family them could pay for it. Enough of we not have it because our family them could pay for it. You consider us dunce because we don't have any subjects? Because we couldn't afford our subject, because we get kicked out, we couldn't afford to go to college, or we couldn't afford to go to UE and UTech and all of them school there. We're dunce, and you're educated and bright and doing what? What? You walk, everybody do what them blood clot love. And me do what me love and it make me blood clot happy and make me have what me have. What the fuck y'all try say? What y'all try say? You come with a big intelligent blood clot. Look how much intelligent people out there suffering a blood clot. Look here. You have some intelligent man who have them subject and them deal with a 3 mile and wipe the glass and a clean floor and them something then a be janitor and how much in things to people. And they're fucking educated. So if you want to disrespect me about say you want to disrespect me about room, you want to disrespect me about Dubai, you want to disrespect me about that, go ahead. But don't blood clot go like you want to come disrespect me. You know a couple big words and I don't. I know my money. I know how much me forget one night come and I know how much product my blood when I sell this a product, I know how much money me for collect. I know if I ship them, I know if I buy them, I know if I collect them. I know all of that. Anything business wise, I know. Anything. So that you have to talk about. You have to talk about that. You're intelligent but your pussy is still big. Your pussy still a walk a talk a lot of blood clot languages and you don't reach your country them yet. And that you for talk about. Talk about that. Talk about how intelligent you are, but you still can't get a man. Education not give you a good husband. Education not give you a good husband, baby girl. Not even one ears ring the man not put for you and it burn you. So talk about that. Since you're so blood clot educated and you're brighter than all away, and you're perfect, and God himself build you and put the education in you. You never ever go to school. You come like the educated Mary. Cause you never need to go to school for educated. So cause you go like say, you get up and you're just full of education. So no baby girl, your big fat swat is spread out and Lego. You did listen with this up you see wait till I come tomorrow? A different settings, you know. Come remember this thing can favor dog when you go to school, you know. That's why you're so educated, you know. You have to put your head by your blood clot book. You could have put it nowhere else. Our little boyfriend that text we have, I would have on blood clot free nights with him at night time and I giggle off for blood clot mouth and we have test a morning and never do it. And that's why we're not educated. So because nobody never look on you free nights come your phone blood clot, you have nobody for text our blood clot call. Nobody for in an attack, in an argument with no man now sweet you pan and lick your behind your ears back and take out the wax them out your ears when you young, you have your education. A man make one have our one. Yeah, lunchtime we are link him. Yeah, we are jump over the school back go link him. That's why we never have it. So don't talk. Put up a picture when you're young and you're there at school in your blood clot uniform. Then we can have a reasoning. Because enough of them fat girls are pretty and them nice and them stay good. And it just burn you or you just shape out to be one big gully hog. And that burn you. You see, tomorrow when I come, guys, a different set is I'm going to tell you I come back for the woman tomorrow, you know. Come here tell you just see the video, you know. You know a long time I argue, so I'm cool up, you know. But you see, tomorrow when I sit down, am I right? I'm sorry, you know. I'm sorry. Remember, I'm tell you that. Because you not argue, they must feel like I'm a blood clot idiot. Because all of them educate, hey, I will this up on a blood clot, you know. We done people need to stick together. Hey, because since you're so educated, that we done. I say put up a, I want to tell the woman to put up a picture when she in a uniform. When she in a the woman eyeglasses can't even hold on her face to hold the nose and fight the blood clot frame. Ask her how much time she have to buy her glasses because her nose broke them. Ask her how much time she have to buy. She have to buy her glasses because her nose broke them. You do your body why you never do your hog blood clot nose. You don't know say if you cook you run out of sweet pepper, all you have to do is take off right test and cook it. You see tomorrow a different thing. You get what me I say? You see tomorrow I don't care. Wow, China na argue and class. She alone me a deal with. She won. She won. And tomorrow me know said my followers them a go DM me some her file. I just want when you just come in and come send me her file in my DM cause tomorrow me and her again. Since you want jump on me, make a jump and me and you go just back and forth, back and blood clot forth. You don't listen to me, get a rat? Well, me no mind if she no listen to me no, but just want ears. You see, same like how me dey on my life and never trouble her. And she hear. Say me call her, she hear say me say something about it, but just want she hear piece of what me say about she. That's all. All uneducated students and educated people, I just want to give her back something. If you have the educated people, I'm not going to give her back. We don't people that is going to stick together, we'll send it in our DM. No worry yourself. No worry your blood clot self. Because all of them, what talk about done and me not ask you. Most of know underneath this and a bash and attack, no way. No way. Me not ask you how much resume and blood clot application form you send out and you get no call. Make a reason.